It's not a hole there or anything, surface rust. Seals are good, but they got these gaps right there. I don't know if that's normal or not. All the glass is good on this truck, except there's a little tiny chip in the front, which can be fixed easily. Bed's good. There's no holes or anything that I see. A little rusty. Back brake drums are froze up, so I have all the wheels off right now and the tires are rotted off, so I just have it sitting on jack stands right now, washing it up, cleaning it up, giving it a good look over. Right back in here needs some love. A little dent right there. But it looks pretty straight. It's had work done it before, I believe. Tailgate's missing, of course, which is sad. But the frame is really good, and the undercarriage, you probably can't hardly see anything. It's starting to get dark, but I'll take better pictures of it. And maybe another video once I get it jacked up higher where I can get underneath. But this this door here is going to need a little work on the driver's side. But all the floor pans are pretty good in this. And of course, back where the battery was, there's holes here, but the rest of the floor, and a little hole right there, and these holes right here. But the other side is good, no holes at all. It looks just like that. I'll show you in a minute. Little crinkle right there. But see, these rockers look nice. No dents in the front. See, right here is the only little ding in the glass that I've seen. This door here is pretty nice. Opens and closes pretty good. Looks like it used to be blue. Motor turns by hand, but the coil and stuff is gone, and of course no battery. So I'm going to try to crank it over this week, maybe tomorrow. See if I can get it to start or at least turn over. And this is an automatic, which I didn't even know they made an automatic. Oops. You can see the frame a little bit. It's too dark. Close up. See, that's not holes. That's just surface rust and such. Alright, tomorrow I'll try to get it running and whatever. Also have these 4 aluminum wheels, but the tires are all shot. They're laying over there.